How to create digital downloads in Canva for Etsy. So, hi guys, the first thing that I will be sharing to you is to let you know what a digital download is before we get started. All right, so digital downloads are actually like anything that you can download online and you don't actually need to have a physical item on hand. With that, it could be any software, for example, an application, an invite, um, specifically an e-invitation, and the likes, or even a digital planner as well. So here at Etsy, we can sell a lot of customized items or products. Let's take a look at some of the digital downloads that we can buy here on this platform. So as we can see, there are a lot of kinds of digital downloads in here. Like for example, there's like a first trip around the sun for a birthday party. Uh, Another one is like a baby footprint, or even some budget planners for Google Sheets or a digital planner as well. All right, so let's click on this example digital planner. So this actually just costs 165 pesos since it's on sale, but normally it prices or ranges to 549 pesos. And as we can see here, there are 31,315 people who have bought this item. So it's very good sales. Basically, you can start from scratch and sell it on Etsy. Now, let's start making our digital download. So here we have our Canva account signed in and ready. All we need to do is to click on our digital downloads first. Okay. Here at Canva, you can see different templates of like digital downloads. For example, here we can see download for free planners, or even like for your application. So there. All right. So one thing that you need to be careful of is here. If you see this crown icon, it means that only pro users could access this template. However, I am just using the free account, so I cannot use this one. But Canva is offering a 30-day trial. So grab onto that if you would like to get this opportunity. All right. Okay. Now, for our digital download, I will actually be making a wedding invitation. All right. So, wedding digital invitation. Okay. So, in here, we can see different templates that um, we can use for a wedding invitation. Basically, if you want to use this one, for example, then you can simply click on that one and customize the template. But of course, we want to make ours more personal and we'll start from scratch then. So how do we start from scratch? Basically, let's go to our Canva dashboard again. And here, let's customize the size of our page. So I will be using our inches, and that would be 12 by 10 inches. Okay. Once done, click on enter, and here it will route us to a different blank page, basically. All right. So here in the design section, we can actually look for wedding background. Okay. So now you can see different kinds of wedding backgrounds. So I want to make it simple but elegant, basically. So let's say, for example, this one, let's make use of this. So for instance, we can actually um, edit the color. So let's do that one here. Let's just click on background color. And let's go for a fancier but more colorful. If you're not satisfied with the color, you can actually simply go to this part and let's just choose a color of our liking or of the product of the client's liking. Okay, here. So this is a very good color. Right now, all we need to do is to, for example, we are going to change the font here. Let's just choose a font that we would like to make use of. Okay, for example, this one. And then let's also change the font for the other one. Okay, there. If we want to make this bolder, then we can actually do that, but the bold icon is not available. If we want to change the text color, we can also do so. And here I would like to add some effects. Okay, let's have this one, the echo effect, and reposition it the way we like to. Okay, now let's add some elements here. In the graphics section, we can actually like see here. For example, if we want to use this one, we can actually make use of this template as well. And let's just reposition our names. Okay, there you have it. Instead of a cross, we can actually change that to ampersand instead. And then we can also change the font color. Okay, let's just edit a bit in here. Okay, there you have it. Once you're already satisfied with your design, simply share and download this design and download it on your Etsy account and sell it for the price that you would like to sell it on. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoy.